Hi everyone, Jim Byrne here with a quick tip for Autodesk Assistant in Fusion. This is parameter creation for bespoke products. Take a kitchen cabinet as an example. In less than a minute, we have a list of industry-specific parameters, which is a big time saver for customizable designs. The names of your parameters are automatically generated, and even provides descriptions for them in the comments column. You can then use those parameters during your modeling process, or have Autodesk Assistant make the models for you, while linking the parameters to the dimensions and features for each part. You can review the process in the panel and be on the lookout when Autodesk Assistant prompts you for additional information. Here, we'll open the side panel to test it out. Once again, we'll access the parameters that were created just a moment ago. And notice that we can drive the size of the parts directly from there. In just minutes, Autodesk Assistant helps you to quickly create fully parametric and customizable concepts and designs, building on your automation strategy to get more done in less time.